Alistair Washbourn is a channel marketing manager at Quantum, and today he's talking about meeting the needs of broadcast workflows. So, Alistair, where are we in terms of storage for true end-to-end digital workflow?
So traditionally, storage has been very much in the middle, and people have been using 35mm or broadcast to actually capture their content. They've converted it, they've edited digitally, but they've also then converted it back so that it can be played out on film. What we're finding now is we now have full end-to-end digital workflows. Some people call those tapeless workflows, where everything is captured digitally. It's ingested onto disk. The workflows are far more collaborative. People share content. They're wanting more centralized workflows that have faster access. They also wish to repurpose that content as well. They also want to play out on many, many different platforms, so they need solutions that can also provide that as well, fully digitally.
And which particular bits of the workflow, which steps, if you like, are you primarily concerned with?
So initially we're very much concerned with ingest. So in the modern world, people are wanting fast ingest onto fast disk. That could be up to 4K workflows, or it could literally just be that they want to improve their productivity. We're then interested in the centralized collaborative nature, so that people who are actually working and editing the content have access, and it's where they need it, so they don't have to move content around, it's there. They also don't want to wait for people, so they want it centralized and available to them without waiting. We're also concerned with play-out, so we have quite a few customers who play straight off disk and will play straight out to broadcast within 15 seconds of ingest.
So what's the impact on the content creators? Here I'm thinking primarily of the producers, directors, editors, these people.
So the main impact is whilst they're sitting at their workstation, the speed of access. So they can be actually working on content at the same time as someone else. That other person that's working on the content could even be on a different operating system and using different applications. So that's the first thing they'll notice. They'll also notice they don't need to wait for other people. They can literally just get on with their list of projects. Once they've finished with their projects, they don't actually have to move the content anywhere either. The content stays where it is, ready for the next person to work on.
And how should large volume content owners be thinking about this? I mean, I guess they are formerly known as broadcasters.
So the large broadcasters, they tend to look at the industry as a whole. If we look at this industry and compare it to others, so if we compare it to, say, the IT industry, a lot of the solutions are certified, and you can literally bolt things together, know they're going to work. In the broadcast industry, it's very much more reference architecture, where solutions aren't so much certified, but they actually work together based on strategic partners working together. So I would suggest for the large broadcasters, which we actually know is what they do, they look at all of those architectures, they even visit sites and go and look live to see these workflows working, and talk to other similar level broadcasters using their fast workflows and their large archives.
Alistair, thank you very much.
Great, thank you.